Welcome back, my Halloween people. I'm super excited to share this look with you, or these two looks with you. So we're just jumping right into it as we have been. I am super excited because we're doing two looks literally at the same time because they're both very, very, very similarly done. You'll see the sun and the moon right in the middle, and whenever I'm using the same palette, you'll see which colors, like right here, which ones I used for each look. This is also a really great tutorial to kind of go off of according to, if you're painting your whole entire face with like face paint, you don't necessarily have to use this one from Makeup Forever, but the steps are basically the same to get it to look like skin and to get it to look really, really good. So essentially we're putting our primer down, we are going to put our base down, we're gonna highlight in cream, and then we are going to mattify everything as much as we possibly can, and then we are going to contour with our choice of colors, and then we're gonna add some blush. And as you can see, right in the middle, the sun and the moon are sitting on top of the products I used according to the look. So I hope that's really helpful. But if you guys have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I also kind of did these out of order. I did the eyes first on the blue and then the eyes second on the yellow sun look. So we're just jumping over to eyes, and you can kind of make this however you want it, but I decided to just do a really simple kind of smoky eye to keep it simple. And this palette is from Wet n Wild, I believe. I don't know if it's still available, but I think it might be. It's literally, I think, only $20. So definitely go get it. It's 100% a dupe for the James Charles Morphe palette. I think it's just a little bit cheaper because they're both really affordable drugstore brands anyway. I did use the same false lashes for each look. I used my false lashes probably 5 to 10 times before I throw them out. Honestly, I use them until they are so bad that I legitimately cannot use them. I should actually clean them. Yeah, that's a thought. That's a thought. But I put on some mascara before we applied those lashes, and then I've been using this Velour Lash and Go lash glue. It's a lash glue and liner. I choose to do my liner with a regular liner and then just put this on top, but it is the bomb. Like, I have used it up. I don't think I'm going back to regular lash glue ever at all. For the lips, I was kind of okay with the sun look, but the blue look I had a little bit of a struggle, probably because I didn't want to like rip my lip drawer apart, and I just used eyeliners to line my lips and kind of ombre them. And then I did find this really cool buxom lip gloss that actually is this color blue, and just put it in the center. Once I'm done with both of the looks, both of the makeup part of the looks, I went on to the sun and the moon. By the way, this look right here is inspired by Nicole Guerriero and Carli Bybel. I saw them do a really, really pretty look, and I've always wanted to recreate it. So I decided to create the sun and the moon on the top. I did them a little bit different than how they originally did it, but I used a lot of glitter liners and rhinestones from Michaels. All the products are in the description below. I hope you guys like this look. I'm so happy with the way that they came out. If you haven't seen pictures, they're on Instagram at Beauty by Julia. Come say hi. Let me know, are you a night owl or are you an early bird?